How to delete Google Play Store search history. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Play Store on your device. Then, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll find all these options. In here, click on Settings. After you're in the settings, click on General at the top, which is the first option. Then click on Account and Device Preferences. After that, you will find all these options. Scroll down in here and you'll find Clear Device Search History. Click on Clear History and then you're good to go. This is how to delete Google Play Store search history. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.